Hi everybody and welcome back. It's Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad, and tonight's little speciality, little video, is all about cooking a sweet potato. Actually, it's not all about cooking a sweet potato because I'm going to put that in the oven and roast it. Then I'm going to top it with a beef mince, flavoured beef mince, some cheese, oh, and a crispy salad. So sit back and I hope you enjoy it. So here we have our ingredients for tonight's meal. I've got 3 of these lovely sweet potatoes, they're about the same size. I've got this all-purpose seasoning. It's for chicken, meat, all that sort of thing really. I'm going to give that a try. Some jalapenos, 1 onion, which I'm going to chop up, some cooking oil. I've got about 7 ounces of minced beef here, and when I've finished it's going to be served up with this with a nice crispy salad. Now in this bowl I can add all this lovely minced beef that can go in, add chopped jalapenos. I've cut them up quite small, as you can see, they can go in, and then about 2 teaspoons of this all-purpose seasoning for meat and chicken, etc, etc. 1, 2, I can always add more if I need it. Then using our hands we can mix this all together. Now we can put a pan on the hob, add a splash of cooking oil, not too much, pile in the chopped onions. Now when these onions start to look a little bit soft, translucent is the correct word, we can add our beef mixture. So in that goes. Now we need to break this down a bit. Right, that's looking pretty good. It's time for a little taste, I think. Well, here we go. I think it calls for a little bit more seasoning and perhaps just a few more jalapenos. Not many. 1 more spoon of seasoning and 1 more spoon of chopped jalapenos. Now if this starts to look a bit dry, you can add a splash of water. It'll be okay because it'll evaporate away. And of course the meat will end up more tender. Now while the beef mince is cooking, we can prepare these sweet potatoes. And what I like to do is stab these over with a fork. Seems a bit mean, but there you go. Give them a little douse of cooking oil. If we rub this all over, I'll tell you, if we rub this all over, the idea is we'll give these a sprinkling of salt and black pepper, and it will stick to the oil. Now these can go in a preheated oven, gas mark 6, for about 50 minutes, and then we'll check these out. Sounds like the sweet potatoes are ready. Let's check these out. Now they ended up having an hour. They certainly look done. Just to be sure, I'll give them the old skewer test. They're done. then served with a really nice salad and a cheese topping. And put a little bit more on there, shall we? But look at that. That's not half bad, is it? I think that looks fantastic. So now I'm going to give it a little taste and see what we've got. That's really good. Really flavoursome. You've got the cheese, you've got the beef, and you've got the jalapenos in there. Let's just give it that little kick. And of course a nice healthy salad. So that's it. Beautiful. Delicious. Anyway, thanks for watching this latest video of mine. I try to make it as interesting as possible. There's a lot of flavours in there. Please try it for yourself. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And any comments, I'd be pleased to get back to you. Leave them down below. There's plenty of room at the moment. Let's hope it gets filled up. And I'll see you next time and say goodbye for now.